Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to clear history in Mozilla Firefox. First of all, open the Mozilla Firefox from your desktop. Then click on three horizontal line from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Options. From the left panel, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find the option History. In the History, you will find an option Clear History. Click on Clear History. A pop-up window will appear. From here, you can clear browsing and download history, active logins, form and search history, cookies, and cache. You can also select site preferences and offline website data. Select the option which you want to clear. After selecting this, set the time range to clear. For this, click on down arrow key. A drop-down menu will open. You can select last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, today, or you can select everything to clear. A confirmation message will show all history will be cleared. Click on the button Clear Now. That's it. Your Mozilla Firefox history is cleared successfully. Now go to the home page. Click on the down arrow key and you will find that there is no history. So in this way you can clear history in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.